In this video, I will show you the simple method to buy from 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So bless me. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see step by step and the simple method on how you can actually buy on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's be.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see the simple method to use to buy from 1688 step-by-step tutorial. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your 1688 app and open up your 1688 shopping app. After open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you source for an item. There are different ways to source for an item. One of the first way is to type the keyword of the item in the search engine right here, and you are going to see similar results. The next way to search for item is to upload the image of a particular item you are looking for. Then you're going to see a similar result. After you have searched for an item, next thing you want to do is to add the item to cart. Then from here, you have to click on here to view your cart. So all the item you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to select all the items. Then you have to click on here to proceed to checkout. Alright, so these are all the items I'm going to purchase on 1688. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And then click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to go back to my profile. For me to access my profile, I need to click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, all the item I just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's see. So you can see all the items right here. So this is the simple and easy method to buy from 1688 without using agent step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.